Hello everyone. These days we are learning use case diagram and we have already discussed about this diagram, that how use case diagram looks like. So this is the sample, then example, and this is the use of use case diagram. Then also we discussed about the core components like actor, use case and system boundary, and also we have seen the core relationship, that is association and the generalization. In today's session we are going to discuss about the extend and include relationship. Two different types of relationships we have. The one is the extend. So the one is the extend and second is the include. So as name suggests, extend means something we have. For example, here I have something, and if I extend it, right? If I extend it, so this is extended. Something is there, but we are extending this. If I say that this is my plot or home, right? And if we cover some portion, so we get extended construction. So this is extended part, right? Extended part. This is my base, this is my core, right? But this is my extended part. The other way, include means what? I have this and I have this, right? But what I want to do, this is my core part, this is the core part, I just want to include this in me. So this is included, and here's something which we extend. This is something which we extend. Let's understand it by the example. So here we have the use case diagram, and here we have used both the relationship extend and include. Few things you need to notice here. Okay, just focus here. Okay, see, extend we write this way, two angular brackets, right, at the end and at the beginning to show the extend. The similar way we write the include. Do not forget to write it in between the two angular brackets. So this is the first thing, that extend and include must be inside the two angular brackets, right? This is the one part. Second thing, when you see the extend, always keep in mind that arrow comes. Okay, let me take another color. Okay, always see that the arrow, see this arrow. So in extend, see, this is the base class, this is your original process, right? Core process. So this is your base class, and always show the left arrow, means the arrow should be inside the base class. We call it a base class, means your core case or the core process. So for this thing, in include case, always show the arrow in outward direction, right? So it is going from this place to this place, right? So yeah, this is your base case, but this base case, wait a minute, this base case includes this, right? And this use case, this use case is extended to this. So this thing. Another thing, one more point you need to remember is include this red portion. This red portion is compulsory. It is compulsory or mandatory. While extend is optional. Extend is optional, means if it is there you can use, if it is not there. But the condition is the extend relationship is based on some particular condition. So this is conditional, optional as well as conditional, right? Okay, let's understand it. Okay, how? Let's understand it. So see, this is the extend relationship between the two use cases. We have already discussed about that, how to use the extend, right? How to write the extend, and about the base class as well, right? Also we know that it is optional, right? It is optional. Now see what happens. Let's understand this. We are discussing the extend. Let's understand this. So here I have a base class. Base case. Deposit funds. See, if I am depositing fund, but if I say that I want to calculate the bonus, but calculating bonus is a case, this case can be triggered only there is a certain condition, only when there is amount more than 10,000 or the age of the actor is 55. Age of the customer is 55. Means what? That if certain case is dependent on certain case but along with certain condition, that we call the extend, right? This we call the extend relationship. So which points we need to remember here? We need to remember, first, this is the base class. Second thing, this is this class, extended class. This is, that is calculate bonus. So the case, it is optional but conditional, means it will trigger only when there is a true condition, only in that case. So these are the points. Also you can think by your own, like if I say that let's calculate the bonus, but to calculate the bonus, what you require? Certain amount. Means if there is no fund or some criteria is there, 55, if the age of the customer is below 55, in that case there is no it does not make any sense to calculate the bonus, right? Because we are not giving bonus to each and every person, we cannot give. So means what? That this case is based on certain condition, and if this condition will get triggered, only in that case it will get executed, right? So this is about the extend relationship. So more about the extend and include we will talk in next session. So this is about extend. So extend and include, we done with the extend, and in next part we will discuss the include.